Welcome dear friends. Don't miss my today's videos and leave the conventional methods of presentation handling the bullets. We will move the easiest and the fastest way of bullet movement. We will resize the picture in accordance to the slide area, and the third one would be the movement of the slide from top to bottom or bottom to top or your desired area in fastest and easiest manner. So let's watch it. Let's presume these are bullets number 1. So most of the time when we were asked to bring the bullet 1 to the top, so we do simply select that, cut and paste. This is the conventional method. Or we also use another method which is drag and drop, like select and drag it to anywhere, which is difficult and mostly it complicates. So leave this conventional method. I'll share you the best way of doing this in the fastest manner. So select it or place your cursor inside the bullet, shift, alt and arrow key up, down. You are watching, it's the most easy method through which you can do your placement in easy and quicker way. Let's place it over here and now bring shift, alt and down arrow. These are done. So let's suppose this is a sub bullet of first bullet. The same method, shift, alt, arrow and left and right. Now I can move it to left side or right side. It's my easiest way through which you can save time, and you don't need to go to ribbon again and again and you place tab and then undo. So this is the easy way. So you can do left, right, up, down, any movement. Now this can also be done in a box. Let's suppose I am moving this word to the left or right side. So simply shift, alt, arrow key and left or right. You are watching, it's the easy way and it can go to the extreme. Its placement, or another way, select the word and shift arrow plus alt. Let's check it another way in a table. The same method again, once again, I can move any word to my desired area in the quickest possible manner. You are watching the speed. Now let's bring a picture, copy paste. So mostly we do it, stretch it from one side, then another side and then another side, which is time consuming, and now it's equal to the size of a covered area. Leave it, control shift arrow key. But you must click the picture. In case if you does click the slide, so slide will move. Click the picture, control shift arrow key. Now let's reduce it. The same method, it's control plus arrow key, or in most cases it can always be done with the arrow key. Just click the picture and control arrow key. You will do the placement, or you can increase, decrease with control shift arrow keys. Let's check it again. It's easy and the quickest possible way. And the last, let's bring the last slide to the first slide. So click the slide, control shift and up key. The last slide becomes the first slide. Let's check the second slide. Click it and same command, it comes at the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my video.